We're at the Memphis, Michigan Cemetery, which there's a monument which is known as the Witch's Ball, supposedly turns and stuff. So we're here out of respect. We would like to see the Miller family. Hopefully people can get out here and get some Easter decorations going. Very beautiful. Mystery is how it turns on its own. Very beautiful. It's like somebody touched it up with graffiti. That's sad. It's over on a tree bank overlooking, I would say, the runoff water.